Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily Hessler. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the Crater Layer stencil. This is a part of the new spring release from Trinity Stamps. This Crater Layer stencil is a laser cut stencil, and it is a single stencil that creates a planet or a moon surface. It's easy to line up all Trinity Stamps stencil because they have the edge line. So here you can see how I'm taking the first layer in this stencil pack, and I'm using the blending brushes from Trinity Stamps and a light gray color just to go over the surface. If I would do this on a project, I would actually mask off the sides of this stencil, just because you will see in the video here that I'm going a little bit off the lines of the sides here. But if you would do this on a project, it probably wouldn't be larger than a 6x6, and if it was, you probably could mask it off. So that is just a little tip from me. So here I'm going in with the second layer, and you can see I chose a lighter teal color, and our planet or our moon surface is starting to come together. And for our last layer, I'm lining that up. It's super easy to find out where you are supposed to line this up, and I'm just adhering it with some tapes here just to have it securely in place when I'm doing my last layer here. So I'm going in, and these brushes are perfect for creating these types of using these types of masks or stencils, because they get into all of that detail of this stencil. So you can see when I'm going to lift this up how beautiful this is and how easy and effortless it was to create a really great surface for your projects. So here are some close-ups of some of the projects that the design team created, and I hope you will find something that inspires you. If you like this video and want some more information or inspiration, you can also visit Trinity Stamps website. All the links are listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.